This video we're going to show you how you can add your termination provider rates. In the first video we have shown that we have added the termination provider, so we have a test provider and this provider has two different prefixes. Now we need to add the termination provider rates. In order to add the termination provider rates, we click on the termination provider rates. There we have three different options. You can add a termination provider rate, you can upload your new purchase rate, and you can search for the provider rates. Now first, we have to add a termination provider rate. You can add the provider rate in two ways. First of all, you can upload a complete CSV file, or you can actually manually create a rate name and then you can add the destinations prefix one by one. So here, for example, I would like to add a rate with from uploading a CSV file. So the provider name will automatically come here, and then we have to give a suitable name for the purchase rate. So I give a name, for example, standard. The provider currency I use USD. You can also change here, or we can also change the currency to USD and Euro. So if your provider provides rate in Euro, you provide the rate in Euro. If the provider provides the rate in USD, you provide the rate in USD. So, and then here you put the billing type, per second or per minute, and then you actually then upload the CSV file. So I have a CSV file, which is situated here, which is called a test rate. So I open it, and then if I add now the rates, then these rates will actually be uploaded. So I click on it, say are the entries correct, and as you can see, the provider rate is successfully imported in my switch. Okay, you can also add manually. If you want to add manually, then you click on this button, and then you can add a new rate name, billing type, and the currency, and then you add your new rate by manually. Okay, so after adding the rate, now if you want to upload a new rate, or if you can actually see the rate that we have just now added. If you want to see the rate, so this is your test provider, and you will see we have just given the rate name, which is standard, and then if you want to see what is the rate for India, for example, as you can see here, we have got India rates, which is 0.1 cent and 0.1 cent. Okay, if you want to change the rate, then you can also do it. So you have to select then a particular row and then click on edit, and then if you want to change the rate, you just change the rate, for example, and then you click on update purchase rate, and the rate will update it. Okay, so that we have done. Now in the next video in this video we have actually added the provider, and we have added the provider rates. Okay, so now in the next step we will going to add the reseller, or we're going to add, as it says, we're going to add the rate plans, or we're going to create different rate plans for the resellers.